Hi, my name is Woody Foster. I came to Regenexx due to pain in my knee, which was initially caused from wear and tear on my meniscus, and then later a tear on my MCL and ACL through skiing. The wear and tear part really just started to show up in increased pain on my knee. Did some cortisone shots, some gel shots, and it was getting better, but slowly, and I didn't really feel it was going quite fast enough. However, right at the point where it was pretty much feeling better, I decided to learn how to ski. I'd never snow skied before, and on the bunny slope of all places, I tried to do a controlled fall, and didn't go so well. I heard it pop and swelled up immediately, and that was that. I didn't come to Regenexx immediately. Did some other things first, so I was off of running in any sort of athletics for a year, and that was brutal is probably too strong of a word, but that was rough. I mean, I like to stay active, but I did the PRP, and I think I was back running in 3 months, I think, and I think this July will be, gosh, is it two years? I think it's 2 years, so I'm going strong and feels good, so I'm really happy. After the PRP treatment with Regenexx, and after speaking with the doctor, he sort of gave me the okay that he thought I could get back going again, and so I jumped right back in. Now I'm just doing 3 to 4 miles 3 to 4 times a week, and I don't do the training anymore, so I'm not running any half marathons or anything like that. But that was just a personal choice as opposed to there being any problems. My overall experience at Regenexx Cayman was fantastic. I thought all the staff were great, the treatment was great, pain management was great because it was basically none, so I'm extremely happy. I would absolutely recommend Regenexx Cayman to friends and family and co-workers, and I have done already.